Morning, everybody. Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. Just want to thank everybody. We officially hit 3,000 subscribers, or broke that level on YouTube. Pretty exciting. Hoping this year to pass 5 grand. I'm thinking that's kind of a low goal at this point. But anyways, so I want to talk about something, guys. I've got a guy visiting right now. We were talking about this yesterday, and then I got a couple picture messages and a phone call chatting about this same situation. So hopefully you'll be able to benefit from this. When you have a house that has dormers on it, or it has a higher area of siding above shingles, it could be one of those bump outs at the end or whatever, you have to be careful with your mix. If it's too hot, you put that at a 2 or plus % mixer. Usually for a house wash, we're at like 0.75 to 1.5, or even a little bit less than that, 1.25, somewhere around there. That's a good mix to clean. If you go hotter than that, that mix can actually end up cleaning the shingles that are right below that siding. And it's going to be very obvious at that point. And if it's a really hot day, it's even more of an issue there. What you can do to avoid that, though, is to soak the shingles. Just spray the shingles with a little bit of water right there. Just wet them down. And obviously don't go super hot on your mix. Because in the picture situation, this guy had 2 different jobs. Got a little hotter those days. I don't think the temperatures were too terribly hot. I believe he is down in Florida, but it's been cold lately. So the solution I have for him, first of all, go over and talk to the person. Do not handle this via text message or email. Just say, hey, I'm really sorry the way it looks there. I know you would. We're looking just to get the siding done, or all, everything else. We're not even on getting the roof done. I'm gonna do this. We can do the roof. We'll do it at cost, or if you've already priced it out, you can say, hey, this really shows you really do need to get that roof clean. So depending on how you want to go through that, and if you've already given them a price for roof cleaning, you can do that. Or if there's still a little get a little pushback because wasn't something that they were planning on doing. Sorry, this parking lot's a little tight. Somebody's parked a bit over the line, shall we say. So let me move here. About ready to go into BNI. And I'm running late. But in this guy's situation, he actually hadn't even done roofs. He's got the equipment to do it when we're talking about that. Like I said, worst case scenario, customer got a bid for doing their roof, so it was $300. So just offer to do it for half price. I'm just saying, listen, I know you weren't planning on doing all this, but what we could do, I'll do it basically half price of what they were going to do it, and get this taken care of for you. Again, I'm sorry about the way that it is, but obviously it does need to be done. You could also clean just that side or that area if it's got enough of a significant break in between there. And you may end up getting the roof job after all. But just a way to handle it. Again, go in person and talk to them. Do not do this over text or email. Anyways, have a great day, guys. See you.